Today I'm working on this Honda Accord 2003 Honda Accord, and this is the power steering pump, and you can see it's been leaking the fluid. You see, it's been leaking the fluid. Alternator is wet with the power steering fluid. So I discovered that when the engine is running, see fluid come out of these places like this and around it, and so like this is the boat, the other end of the boat, the fluid. So to fix that is to dismantle this power steering and then replace the gasket or the sealant or the seal. Is to replace the seal that is somewhere here inside. So I'll bring down this, I'll dismantle the power steering pump. To do that, I have to remove the belt. I'll loosen the tensioner, remove the belt, bring down the power steering pump, open it up and replace this sealant. Just one seal or one gasket. So get started. Okay, the pulley is actually 14mm bolt holding it, so you need a 14mm spanner. Okay, first is to loosen the tensioner, remove the belt, and then remove the both high pressure and low pressure sides of the power steering pump. Take it off and the rest. This is 14mm spanner. Okay, support with another spanner. Let's loosen this to ease the tension on the hose. $12mm to these bolts. Put a wrench to it. Okay, so basically just two bolts, two 12mm bolts hold the power steering pump in position, one here and one here. So now I've taken off those two bolts and it's time to proceed further with it. Okay, next is to remove four 12mm bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Pause. Okay, there are basically two gaskets. This and this one. This. So I'm going to replace these two gaskets and that will be all. Tighten diagonally. So take this. Okay. Just sufficient torque to keep it in place to avoid further leaks. Okay, so here it is. I've replaced the two gaskets inside just to avoid oil from leaking. And this line, this is not an overhaul. If you are to do overhaul, it's going to go much more than this. You will even have to take off the pulley and the rest. But here I'm not doing overhaul, just to stop the leak from the pump, the leak that is seen at this line. Okay, so next, install it back, and I'll test it for some days and see if the oil still leaks. Okay. $14